Oh, what is to
Yeah. Hey. Where's my spider?
It was.
The spider.
It was a great day at the beach.
Oh, yeah.
Building
It
sandcastles.
was a great day at the beach. You just had to be there. But you know, we gotta go to the next scene, so bye.
Then the bugs came.
It's so cute. I want.
So they jumped in the water.
So they jumped in the water, and then the fishies ate them. That's how mean the fishies are. You don't want to get by them because the piranhas. The piranhas. And then it snowed clouds. I don't believe it. It snowed clouds. Yes, I'm not lying to you. And then it actually snowed. The real snow. And then snowflakes appeared. Yay!
Yes.
And then my friend Taylor over here was playing in it. And then it was nighttime.
Twinkle,
Ready to go
twinkle,
to bed.
little star.
No.
How I wonder
No.
what you are.
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh, go fly a kite.
And then I flew my kite.
Oh yeah.
And then
Flying
it was fall. See how time passes by when you're having fun. Yes. And then stars
Twinkle,
appeared.
twinkle, little star. Oh, the alien ship has appeared again. They're gonna get us.
Oh, it screamed.
But then they had an idea.
And then they had an idea.
What idea did they have?
I did.
How do you get rid of aliens?
Of course!
You call animals.
You call animals to get rid of an alien. Yes, an alien.
Call the animal.
Call the animal. Oh, he was so cute.
You see my cat in
The jackrabbit. Anyways, I was saying, the bird. Hey, move, bird.
Look at my bird. Touch it.
And then you have fun with a spider.
Don't scream so loud.
It's got me.
You'll scare the spider.
Ah.
How do you get rid of a spider?
You get a rainbow.
Or
Or thunder.
lightning. Lightning. Never play golf in the lightning. Or tennis. Or go scuba diving.
Oh, you see my face?
You'll be the pronounced.
There you go. That's the general idea.
And that's how you do it.
What is that?
Ew.
Ew. Let's have ice cream.
I want ice
Okay,
cream.
I want some ice cream. I want some ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream.
How about some pizza?
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza.
Quit screaming. Okay, you have to work for your food, girls. Okay, you get a treat because you were so good. I think it's time
That was good. Really good.
to
Yeah,
go.
really
Bees.
Huh?
I love bees in the air.
Bees?
Bees.
Ah! Bees!
Bees.
Ah.
Guess what, guys? I'm sorry to say, I'm having fun. I'm having fun.
No, fun. I'm gonna go get the dog.
Be the dog. Fun is fun, okay? Fun. I'm ready for the next event.
I'm trying.
Yes, the next event. I want that heart.
Watch out, the dog will come and get you.
The dog will come and get me. Where's the dog?
It's delayed reaction. Here he is.
Oh, the doggy. Play with the other dog, Nani. Come here. Give me him.
Now I did.
Lonnie said that.
Yay! He's sitting up. Well, no, get him. Get him. Nani,
Okay. There you go. Stay, Nani. Chasing the ball, chasing the ball, chasing the ball. Make Nani sit up. No, get her off from the pillow. Make her sit up. Show her how she... Show off, Nani. Sit, Nani. Stay, Nani. Stay. Good
Yes.
dog.
Yay.
Good dog, Nani. Good dog, Nani. All
Now
right.
she can do
Let's
this
see how
too.
really stupid that was. That was probably really, really bad. Don't lay her on my pillow. I'm allergic to the hair.
Oh, you are?
Yes, extremely. Long-haired cats and hairy
Okay,
dogs.
let's watch it.
Trying.
Watch it wouldn't. Watch that wouldn't even be a.
Trying to get it to tilt a little. Zoom out. See if the zoom is working.
Have fun.
It says it's capturing video. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be playing that back.